Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to install macOS Monterey on your Mac. If you own a MacBook Air 2015 and later, or a MacBook Pro 2015 and later, or a MacBook 2016 and later, or an iMac 2015 and later, or an iMac Pro 2017 and later, or a Mac Pro 2013 and later, or a Mac Mini 2015 and later, then you may install macOS Monterey. To install macOS Monterey, go to the Apple logo on your left upper corner. Next, click on System Preferences. At System Preferences, click on Software Update. On Software Update you will see a message asking you to update to macOS Monterey. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.